What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chase Credit Journey. Now I'm going to just talk about accessing Chase Credit Journey. How you want to do this is to sign into your Chase online banking account and then just click on the Credit Journey tab to access Credit Journey dashboard. And also you could just download Chase app on the iOS device or the Android device in order to use Credit Journey on the go. So let's understand your credit score, because that's the first step to using this platform. The first thing you want to do is to view your credit score, so you can check your current credit scores and track changes over time. You could also learn about the credit score range and what your score mean, and then of course you can receive alerts when your credit score changes. So these are all the things to note when it comes to understanding your credit scores. Now for credit reports and monitoring, you can check your credit reports and monitor changes. You can also dispute any errors on your credit report, as well as track in credit inquiries and receive alerts when your new inquiries are made. Now for the credit tools and resources, there are a couple of tools and resources that you can make use of. The first is the credit score simulator. So you want to use the credit score simulator to see how different actions may affect your credit scores. There's also credit education, where you can access credit education resources to learn more about credit and how to manage it. And of course there's the credit alerts. You can set up credit alerts to notify you of changes to your credit report. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. That's all I got for you guys on how to use Chase Credit Journey. If you liked the video, then like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.